Hey y'all, hey, it's Meal Plan Monday. No, for real. Let's get into it, y'all. We gonna get rid of all the goofiness. But today we are going to plan for Monday, May 25th through Sunday the 31st in our meal planner. And I decided to take it back to the Happy Illustrations book from, oh my gosh, what do I have stuck in here? Take it back to Happy Illustrations and colorful boxes. And I'm going to be using this page in particular with all the fruits and stuff. So just because I love fruit, and lately for this planner I've been feeling bright and cherry, and you know, and I'm also going to use our colorful boxes. This is colorful boxes number 3. 2, really? Number 3. So I'm going to use some of these. Oh my gosh, why can't I talk? I'm going to be using some of the stickers from these for our headers and for functional decoration. So first thing that I want to, oh, there's quotes. Wait a minute. I never paid attention. Oh. Grabbing the wax paper because this right here just spoke to me. Yeah, I like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. You go, girl. Oh, glow. Hey. And I'm gonna pull that, keep going. Yeah. Okay. So, what I was thinking of doing was using these headers to redo these ones going down the middle. And because this is a carefree spread, I'm not going to be really too much. Oh my God. Y'all, why did I just do that? Put Monday on Tuesday. Okay. And now that's too far over. Yeah, left-handed issues, you guys. Lefty issues. I'm gonna go do it upside down because it's just easier for my life. So we got Monday, Tuesday. All right. Pull that out the way. So we got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right there just added so much color to the page. I love it. I love it. Okay. So, what I want to do is I use these muted ones and I let the fruit be the bold colors. So y'all already know lately I've been feeling a lot of yellow. So It doesn't fit all the way across, so I'm just going to white out. The ends. And let's pull this one. And then we'll grab an orange and we'll grab purple. Purple. Okay. So I don't think I'll be using anything else in here. Do we want to replace the dots? Let's see. So we have those colors. Oh, we got all these dots. Maybe we'll replace the dots. Alright, so I'm going to put some dots going down for our grocery list. And
so we need our dots. I'll white out this focus. And we're going to put our easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right about there. And of course, we gotta put some lemons, right? I'm just gonna take the fruit and just randomly place some fruit everywhere.
alright, I think that's it. This will be our spread for our meal planner for May 25th through the 31st. Monday is Memorial Day, so I hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial Day. Enjoy your barbecue and all that. Grub. Make sure you guys are being safe out there. Don't let the holiday cause you to forget about everything that is going on in the world. And remember, Please live your life exquisitely, one plan and day at a time. See you all in the next one. Enjoy your holiday weekend. Bye now.